What's up guys, it's Tommy here. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be giving you guys my full review on Amazon's renewed iPhone 7 Plus. I have had a little bit more time to use it since unboxing it on the channel. If you haven't checked out that video, we'll go ahead and link it in the description below. Having said that, let's get right into it. Alright guys, so if you've seen my unboxing video, you know the packaging was pretty trash. The box was beat up and had some yellow that didn't belong on the side of it. Although the packaging wasn't the best, the phone itself was protected fairly well with foam wrap surrounding the entire device. When it comes to the phone itself, the exterior of this iPhone was in excellent condition to say the least. It had no scratches, dents, or cracks on the screen or on the back. However, I did notice a smudge on the Apple logo, which to be honest, I was a little concerned about when I first saw it, since it looked stuck on there pretty good. It ended up being insignificant as I was able to take it off fairly easy with some cleaning spray and a microfiber cloth. Unfortunately, the back of the device now does have some scratches because I accidentally had the phone and some keys in my pocket at the same time. Rookie mistake, I know. Anyways, moving on to the internals, Amazon guarantees the phone will come with at least 80% battery health on all renewed iPhones. This iPhone 7 Plus came with 97% health, which definitely exceeded my expectations. Since I've had the iPhone, I haven't experienced any issues whatsoever. I even downloaded the app Test M to verify that all components are working properly. Everything checked out fine as expected. Overall, if you're looking for an iPhone on a budget, I definitely recommend looking at Amazon's renewed iPhones. They have a large selection to choose from. I'll include a direct link in the description below if you'd like to check them out. If this video was helpful, please smash the like button. It really does help out a lot. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.